Hi, good evening, everybody. My name's Brian, for those of you who do not know me yet, and I am the infield missionary for Third Coast Ministries. I'm serving down here in Matagalpa, Nicaragua, at the Nicaragua Christian Academy, Matagalpa. I'm going to be teaching this year, and I'm happy to make and upload a video that's finally more about teaching. I had one the other day that I explained kind of what I'll be teaching and all that. So just to give you an update, today is Saturday. It is February 2nd. It's in the evening. We just got back home from another family's house, and today we had the school open house for primary school and secondary school. And since I'm teaching both, I was there all afternoon, and it was fun. We got to meet the students. We got to meet their parents. They got to ask questions. And I got to speak Spanish in front of rooms full of people who I don't know. So that was fun. It was nice. They talked about the school for the parents and then introduced all the teachers and had us line up. I have some pictures that I'll put at the end of this video so you can see what I'm talking about. And I'll post them on Facebook too. So if you're following Third Coast Ministries on Facebook, you will see those. And it was cool. They introduced all of us, and our main physical education teacher in December competed in the national games for Central America and won a bronze medal in judo. So it's pretty cool. So we have a real bona fide athlete teaching those courses. So if you're thinking about bringing your kids here, they're going to be strong. And it was fun introducing myself to the parents and the students. It kind of went something like this: Buenas tardes, and then they would be like, "Hey, good afternoon" as well. And I'd be like, "Hey, me llamo es Brian, Señor Baker, y voy a enseñar inglés básico, pero para tus hijos." Y then I'll explain that. Basically, we're going to have 3 levels for every age group. It's oh man, I don't even remember what I said in Spanish. That's kind of difficult. But I was staying up there, and I would introduce the other teachers that didn't know as much Spanish as I do. And in every class, I would be like, "Tienen preguntas?" You know, if anybody had any questions, and everybody just kind of sit there like. So I was like, oh man, maybe I didn't speak anything correct in Spanish. So I'd be like, ustedes entienden? And they're like, oh yeah, sí, muchas gracias, mucho gusto. So yeah, so it was cool. So I had to do that for the 3rd grade class, 6th grade class, 7th grade class, 8th grade class, 9th grade class. I did the 10th grade class for the other teachers, even though I'm not doing 10th grade, and spoke more about the AEP course for 9th grade. So it was pretty exciting, looking all official and a little school shirt on and speaking Spanish. And only one class did they have questions, and the lady that asked the question, that Spanish came out rapid fire. It was like, brrr! I was just kind of like, okay, otras preguntas. But luckily, there's a mom sitting right next to her that translated for me. And I was like, oh, muchas gracias. And I was like, lo siento, pero un poco más despacio, por favor. Because I don't know if you haven't been down here or not, and you're from Texas like I am, the Spanish here, if you think Spanish is fast in Texas, Spanish is a whole other level of fast here. Especially when people get excited, oh man, it's like duck, because words are just boom, boom, boom. And it's like just dumping a bucket of water down a really tiny funnel. And the Spanish I understand is the stuff that comes out, and the stuff that goes over the sides is stuff I don't get, and there's a lot of it. But it was fun, and I can tell you from the first 2 weeks here, you know, my Spanish is... So it's gotten better. And then afterwards, so the new family arrived at 4 something this morning, so they slept in. They took them on a little tour, and then we all had dinner at the Dunham's household. So it was nice. It was the Dunhams and their kids, myself, the new family with their kids, and then a family from Managua that's a missionary family that just moved to Matagalpa, and their kids will be at the school. So it was It was really nice. Like, it was nice because my first day here, the first night for dinner, the Dunhams invited me over for dinner at their place, and we got to talk and get to know each other, and that was really nice. So it was really nice that they did that for the new family as well. Well, both new families, although one is completely new, one's just new to this area. So it was nice. I got some photos of that, so they'll be up on Facebook as well, maybe Instagram. Also, Third Coast Ministries. So feel free to follow us on there. So it was really exciting. It was, like I said, it was nice to meet the parents, to talk to the kids, and I think they might think I'm fluent now, but I don't think they understood that I practiced what I was saying a lot before I got there. So we'll see. I'm looking forward to it. It's pretty exciting. School starts this Monday, so tomorrow's Sunday. Go to church in the morning, come back, end up watching the Super Bowl at Professor Ulysses' house, and work on curriculum and assessments to how we're going to figure out who goes into which level. So it was a pretty fun day. It was really good. The open house for both primary and secondary went really well. Seems to be a very strong community between the students and their parents and family. Excuse me. So that's really nice. And yeah, like I said, it was good. It was fun. Super excited. Super nervous too. So throw up a couple Hail Marys for my behalf, and I would really appreciate that. So if you'd like to follow us, as I mentioned before, it's Third Coast Ministries, spelled out, no spaces, no dashes, no underscores, no funny punctuation. Third Coast Ministries, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and we have a website as well, thirdcoastministries.org. Please go to that. Look at some of the projects that we're trying to work on. I'm going to try to get those updated. We're still working on getting school supplies, so if you're watching this and you want to donate money for that, make sure you write school supplies on the check before you send it, and all the money for that goes directly to buying school supplies for the kids. It's only what that goes to. So that's one of the projects. And another thing that we mentioned was elective classes. So I got an idea for an elective class which could turn into a major class starting next semester for the next year as well. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be a pretty big project, and I'm still working on the details, but when I get that put together, I will of course make a video so everybody can know and see what we can do to help out for this. So thank you for watching. Please, send an email, drop a line, whatever you need. You got questions, you want to come visit and help out, I would love to have you here. So like I said, thanks for watching, and look for us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And have a good night. Thank you.